Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important components that is required by all the organisms for their survival. What do you think it must be? Yes, it is air which is required by all the organisms for their survival. However, increase in concentration of certain components in the air can cause air pollution. So in this video today, we are going to discuss about what are these pollutants which are responsible for air pollution. Okay, so let us go through each and every pollutant and look at how they cause air pollution. So firstly, again, to talk about what is exactly mean by air pollution is nothing but whenever there is an introduction of certain pollutants into the air can cause air pollution. So contamination of air due to the presence of certain pollutants is called as air pollution. So what are the pollutants which are responsible for air pollution? So one of the major reasons for air pollution is burning of fossil fuels. So you can see on this over here, coal, oil, gasoline, natural gas, these are all different fossil fuels. So burning of these can cause air pollution. So, whenever we burn, fossil fuels, they release oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur into the atmosphere. And inhalation of these oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen are not only harmful for our health, but they also, dissolve in the rain and cause acid rains. So to talk about what are the important, or what are the problems with the acid rains, let me show you one image. So over here, you can see a picture. What do you think this picture depicts over here? Yes, it is telling you that how Taj Mahal used to be in the past and how it is now. Okay, so this is again, you can see that there's a discoloration of Taj Mahal. So this is due to acid rains. Acid rains corrodes the monuments like Taj Mahal. They corrodes buildings. They corrodes, statues. So thus corrosion of various monuments, statues, buildings takes place because of acid rains. Okay, so thus it is important to reduce the burning of fossil fuels in order to save our environment. Okay, and the next pollutant that we are going to discuss about is the smog. Before we talk about what is exactly the smog, let us try to answer one of the questions that is there on the slide, which is the most polluted city in India? Actually, the hint lies in the slide itself. Yes, it is Delhi, which is the most polluted city in our India. So why do you think Delhi is the most polluted city? So there are a couple of reasons again. The Delhi, the neighboring states of Delhi, especially the Haryana and Punjab, during the harvesting time, farmers burn out the left out paddy stalks after the harvesting. So when they burn out the left out paddy stalks, all the smoke from these neighboring states start moving towards the Delhi. Okay, so that is one of the major reasons for pollution during the winter time in Delhi. And thus you can see smog during the winter time in Delhi. So again, smog is a combination of smoke and fog. Okay, and along with that, even during Diwali, winter time, it is Diwali time, and because of burning of a lot of crackers and all, also the amount of pollution raises, or using automobiles, burning of fossil fuels. So all of these are the reasons for why the pollution in Delhi is the highest. Okay, so thus it is important to reduce using automobiles, or it is important, or instead of using our own private vehicle, we can use public transportation in order to reduce the air pollution, or looking for another alternate apart from stubble burning, or not at all burning crackers during the winter time, during Diwali time is some of the ways we can use to reduce the air pollution in Delhi. Okay, not only in Delhi but in general also we can do all these things to reduce air pollution. So let us look at another air pollutant, which is carbon monoxide. Okay, so this carbon monoxide again released due to the burning of fuels like petrol and diesel. Okay, and carbon monoxide, it easily binds with the hemoglobin, and thus it reduces the our blood like oxygen carrying capacity of our blood. So thus it is important to stop or to reduce the burning of fuels. Okay, and if we inhale more carbon monoxide, sometimes it may even cause death to the person. So thus carbon monoxide is a highly poisonous gas. Inhalation of carbon monoxide can cause death to a person. So it is important, it is very much essential for all of us to reduce the amount of these pollutants in the atmosphere. Okay, so the other one we have over here is about the ozone hole. Ozone hole. You might have heard about ozone hole from the newspapers and all. So ozone layer is one of the important layers which protects all of us from the harmful ultraviolet rays which come from the sun. So whenever these UV rays which fall on our skin, which can cause skin cancer, it can damage crops. So there are various, health problems that we may get if the UV rays directly fall on our skin or on our bodies. So thus, but these are not, but it is the ozone layer which is protecting us from these harmful ultraviolet rays. However, because of the chlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere, this ozone layer is getting depleted. So ozone layer is getting depleted is mainly because of chlorofluorocarbons. And these chlorofluorocarbons are produced from refrigerators or air conditioners. Okay, so again, luckily nowadays, we are replacing these chlorofluorocarbons with hydrofluorocarbons or hydrochlorofluorocarbons because the amount of chlorine molecule in hydrofluorocarbons or in hydrochlorofluorocarbons is quite lesser than the amount of chlorine that is present in chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, so it is important again from all of our end also to make sure that we are protecting our environment, right? So again, so far we have discussed about different pollutants that are responsible for air pollution. But how do you find out whether a place is having air pollution or not? Okay, so there are indicators of pollution. Those are nothing but lichens. Lichens is a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi, where algae provides nutrition and fungi provide shelter. So you can all do a lichen walk. Okay, you can visit your own place wherever you are living, and you can visit, and if you can see lichens in your place, which indicates that your place is is not having any pollution. Okay, so because lichens are found only in the place where there is no pollution. Do you think you can find these lichens in a place like Delhi? No, because it is the highest, it is a place where it has the highest pollution rate. So you'll never find lichens in place like Delhi. So lichens are the indicators of pollution. They are present only in the places where there is no pollution. Okay. So on this side, you can see actually how lichens look like. All right. So let us, now these are some of the ways we can use to reduce air pollution. One is using public transport instead of using our own personal vehicles, or going on foot if the distance is less, and switching to fuels like compressed natural gas or unleaded petrol. So if we can follow all these, we can reduce the air pollution. Okay, and I'm just giving you all a very short homework. You can discuss with your friends, and you can add few more ways to reduce air pollution in yours. That is the homework I'm giving you. You can think about various ways to reduce air pollution along with the points that I mentioned. That's it for today. I hope you all take an initiative to reduce air pollution from your head. And I wish you do your homework and discuss with your friends, discuss with your people around you, and try to reduce air pollution and save the environment. Thank you.